Check out, here is the spike signal. We are waiting this trade. Also posted this signal in our VIP group. Check out Boom 500 buy. Here you guys can see I'm already holding this trade to raise in profit. This is the third one. Look here guys. Look here guys. Awesome dropped. Look here. Check the pump. This is the real power of this spike system. Check here is the results. We posted the signal in VIP group using this sniper spike trading system. Consistent and powerful spike trading system. We just need to have this system and make consistent profit. Look here what Boom 500 did after some time. Let me show you. Here you guys can see. After some time what the Boom 500 did. This is the power of system. We all took these trade in VIP group.